a 2023 Nissan Sentra here, and I'm going to show you how to open up the key fob and replace the battery. So you're going to turn it over, and there's a switch right here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Okay, but this unlatches the key. This will open the driver's door if you need to open that in an emergency situation, like if the battery's dead or something. But once we do that, if we look at the bottom of it, there's two little slots right here that we're going to use to split this guy open. So I'm using a small flathead screwdriver where the head of it fits pretty much right into the slot. It doesn't go very far in there. So I'm going to give it a twist, okay, and it will open it up. Same thing on the other side, and it'll open it up. All right. We're going to just split it open now. Gently, try not to touch the board with the screwdriver. But on the back half is where the battery is being held in. And you can, there's a couple slots here you can choose from to go ahead and pry this battery out. And I'm going to show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. Okay, it's going to go down in like this, and it locks in like that. Now down in the description box, I will have the battery size posted down there, along with a link. It takes you to Amazon. If you need to get a battery, you can use your Prime membership just to get one for like $2.50. So check that out if you need one. Then you just get the two halves, and you just press them back together. And get your emergency key, snap it in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. And if you could, leave me a comment, check out that link, and I'll see you again in another video.